Glacier? What if it's all gone? The state-owned company will come then? Do they become publicly accessible? Guy. There's a boulder, correct? Face. You always wear it. What is its purpose? It's a cycle. It's an atom. There's an atom, right? The appearance of atoms or elements. Then the scissors. What? Is it a bean? What is the rock? Is it a mutation? What is this? Is it a bucket? In other words, when you're impoverished, change is inevitable. With change comes another transformation. A cross. Is that right? Is that right? So this serves as a communal resource. If you are poor, you will always be poor. When you get rich, you always get rich. This is very mysterious nature. Is it a transfer? When there was a glacier and then there was no glacier again, are humans now dead? Change is inevitable. Survival hinges on adaptation. How much has it changed now? Humanity has endured for millennia. Now, dinosaurs. But because I died, then animals and humans began to emerge. That's just a millennia. Millennia pass. Got it? 100 million years ago. Dinosaurs. Look carefully. Dinosaur footprints. I was in the South. Visiting ancient castle. Might I be there? Dinosaurs. There are footprints. Why are there dinosaur footprints? It's a temperature that humans can't live in. It's too hot. The rock is just glowing, so heat brought demise to reptiles. Cold was their end. When there is a hot, very dark country, people all die. Initially, it was the era of reptiles. Dinosaurs live, dinosaurs walk around rocks. Sizzling. It was pulled and imprinted upon the stone. Humans unfit in eras past. Eventually, dinosaurs surveyed. Passing oxygen? Not much post-glacial period. If it becomes an ice age, there will be no grass to produce oxygen. No matter how human he is, he eventually breathes. If you can't rest, you will die. There will be a lack of oxygen. Oxygen? Humans die due to shortages, but if blood is taken away, is there oxygen because there is no fire? It's gone. At the same time, volcanoes explode, lyrics come out a lot, orders come out a lot, so it's just humans. Are you okay with almost being wiped out? It was wiped out, but when this Pallas Glacier completely came, it was a time of change. Is it now 120,000? The cycle. You can see it at a glance, right? This 124 to 600-year-old change machine humanity, emerging changes. Does improvement follow? Is this the age of civilization? Correct? Civilization's current lineage? Will the Ice Age revisit? Yes. What if I go to the palace? What if you change and change? And then the rich will always be rich. Do you think about being poor? Yes, you have to help poor people who come to you when you are rich. Contemplating future shifts. Yeah, so I'm rich now, next. Is it when the seed is poor? But do you see this? Is there an eternal winner? Cain turned rock to rock. I'm drunk. Then the rock is the first sin. The rock is connected to Bo. And the rich man is more than this change. You're stable. Then this changes to the scissors again. Are you dying? That's the glacial era. It's advantageous. To blow this, it is called yin cycle. We're playing stone, paper, scissors. What do affluent individuals teach us? Don't worry if you become poor again. Again. Change again. If it changes again, and again. Become rich? Oh, right. Right? So where do we need to think in terms of pain? You have to wait for the time to sleep. So is there any reason to be distressed? Rock sways to stone, slipping against stone, correct? Exploration of stones. Defeated in a contest, defeated by a foil to Gahi. So who's victorious here? Not at all. Boldly facing others. Who is arrogant? Definitely his. It becomes paper. I regret it. I told someone I had something. Oh, now He is a very rich man who is expected to be like this. Don't you know that you will be poor next time? It's the next cycle. This matter? With the next cycle's pride, subsequent cycle. What? It's a cycle of poverty. You should know that, right? So refrain from such actions towards others. Can misfortune alone lead to powerlessness? Ibn cycle. Wow. Isn't the defense reassured once more? Can't this be blind now? Are we in reach here? From this illiteracy, I have now come a little further towards the palace. Right? We're heading for the ice, so slowly. What if there is? Is the emblem cooling? Here we go. What now? It's the time when it gets hot to peak and stop the blood flow. Melt. Then a little later, tens of thousands of years. What is the weather like? Gradually. As it gets colder and colder, there is a lot of snow. The snow is falling, and the snow field is just like this. Humans begin to die as monsters and do so again. Approaching ice era. Is this terrestrial cyclicity? Space physics. Me to you? Lectures. Did you do it? I lectured through graphics and showcase leadership, reflecting then and now. I'll do it. So people in these foreign countries, precisely your point, don't be discouraged by this. Is that right? This is the Earth's cycle. It's a personal cycle of fate. Why do you cry? Right away. Enclosed sphere. Why does Earth dwell in a precarious stance? Avoid excessive settlement here. You know it's ruined, right? Too much building, it's land. Isn't that asking too much? Marai. It passes innocently. I see. So there is no winner. Everyone is poor. No. Go to India. The poor will be rich next. Are you looking forward to it? Oh, that's right. And now the rich. What do you think? I'm going to be poor. Do you know that? So you're humble. Even though you're rich, you're strangely humble. Why?
Poverty befalls me next. Are you aware of this? Acknowledged.
What can G mean? What do you do when you get dressed? Will you be poor next time on material things like this? Tejon, you have to master it. Do you understand? Sea of despair. Yes, indeed, this signifies my identity. Integrating cosmic physics, imparting philosophical wisdom. The main location? Yes. So just now, that American. Were you confined here? Kyung-Young's atomic lens resonates with the space energy product.